In this video, I'll show you how you can fix Fortnite. There was an error processing the credentials from the external login system. The first thing I suggest you do is you open up Task Manager, go to Details, sort by the name, click anywhere and press E. If you have Epic Games Launcher, you want to end the task. After that, come here and look for Epic Games Launcher down here and right click on it and end the task. After that, you want to head over to epicgames.com and you want to log into your account. If you cannot log in, you can just reset your password and then try and log in after that. Once you've logged in, you want to click on yourself and go to Account, go to Apps and Accounts, and you want to make sure that you are only connected to the ones that you have connected to. So you can see I've only connected to Steam, so I want to make sure that the others are not connected to. Now, usually if you get this error, it might be because you have been hacked, or if you changed your password and you forgot about it, or stuff like this. So make sure you're not connected to something weird that you never connected to. And also you want to make sure that you go to your password and security and you try and get a new password. And after that, you just want to log out and log back in. Then restart your PC and then this error should hopefully be fixed. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.